Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Izzy. Happy birthday to you. Now you sing. You gonna sing happy birthday? Okay, say cheese. Cheese. You gonna sing happy birthday? Happy birthday. What are you gonna sing? You sing. What's your favorite song? Well, let's hear it. Row, row, row your boat.
Billy, 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 da 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 see.
Yay! How about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I that you are above it, but the cypress in the sky.
Yay! How about happy birthday now?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is it?
Izzy.
Izzy's. And how old is Izzy?
Abby too.
Ivy, too. You a big girl now?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing? Are you playing with the puzzle?
Yeah.
Oh, can I come in and look at the puzzle? Let's see. What is that? Oh, is that a hand? Oh, what number is that?
6.
6. And what number is that?
3.
3. Wow, you're smart. You're a smart girl.
7.
Let's see. 7. Let's put the 7 in. 7. Yay. What's the next one?
5.
5. Okay, let's put the 5 in. There you go. Oops, okay. 5.
What?
That's the left. There you go. And what's that one?
What's the
That's the right one.
What?
Yay!